Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on Repost on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're on the homepage, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all your TikTok notification settings. Scroll down to the Interactions section. Here, you'll find the Reposts option. Enable the Reposts notifications toggle. Once enabled, you'll receive TikTok notifications whenever someone reposts your TikTok videos. This helps you track engagement and see which of your TikTok videos are being shared by others. If you want to turn off TikTok repost notifications later, simply return to this menu and disable the toggle. And that's how you turn on repost notifications on TikTok. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more TikTok tips and notification tutorials. Thanks for watching.